Good evening, everyone. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for welcoming me. Uh, so, I am Vani Mada from Erudite Web Solutions and founder and co-founder. Just now, Rakesh Bhaiya told me regarding my introduction. Uh, so, Rakesh Bhaiya, can I share direct my profile?
Yeah.
Yeah. So before I start my presentation, just one question I'm asking everyone. So here everyone is doing different kinds of business. How many members have website? Just type in chat box if it is yes. So everyone has a website, right?
Yeah, Rakhi ji responded, Manoj ji responded, Balram ji responded, Amit Biani ji responded.
Yeah, good, very good,
Yeah,
very good.
it's very good.
Thank you.
Like, yeah, it
Yeah,
was a good
thank you. So,
interaction. Yeah.
and one more thing also, is it necessary, compulsory to website to everyone, or directly we can go without website also? Is it compulsory?
Can you repeat once again?
एक
Yeah.
बार आपका हाँ
Okay, clear now?
yeah
Yeah, clear.
Yeah.
your voice is clear.
Yeah.
Just ask question again, like he wants to hear.
So that website is compulsory to everyone business, or it is a must or not?
It's must.
It's must. Correct, Neeraj.
I agree on this. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much. Actually, so here, does your business faces these any challenges? Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Like every day is a new challenge to us.
Yes, because actually, why I'm asking the questions is especially for this is the COVID time. So many business is going slow down this time, and next 6 months also we can't expect the business, right?
Yeah.
So that here, does your business faces these challenges? For example, my business is only for limited of my city, but I have no idea how to expand into other locations. Do you have any idea about how to expand your business into other locations? Is limited to your city, or if you go to the other places also? So that type of business phases you are challenging the phases. And one more thing also, I'm able to serve my customers around the clock. If I could do this, I would around my competitors. So we have so many competitors here. So this is it possible to so many competitors are there in your business according to that. So then how to deal with competitors, how to attract the customers your side. Okay, and next one is I don't have knowledge about online marketing and promotions. I'm not getting enough traffic to my website. How to get the traffic to your website? How to go to that uh, online knowledge? Is it audible? Everyone
Yeah,
hear
it's
me?
audible. Yeah. You can speak little loud, no problem. Yeah.
Little loud. Okay,
Yeah.
fine. So then these type of problems are there. So here we are giving the solutions about these problems. Okay. So these are the solutions how you are facing the in business problems. We are giving the this type of solutions. For example, here I mentioned search engine optimization, mobile application development, social media marketing, social media optimization, graphic designing, e-commerce solution, website support and maintenance, website design and development, and corporate branding. So actually, what is the website design and development? Here, website is if you go to your website, .com, .in, .org, .online, like that. So many domains are there. So it's for example, if you take the .in, it's related to only for India. .com, go to the all over countries. So like the .org is going to the social organizations. Like we are coming up the domain names. So here website designs and development means different types of there. If you go to the small business, it's compulsory website. You have at least 4 pages of website, because if you want to explain about your business to others customers, or if anybody asks what are you doing, then you have to explain that, no, instead of you are telling everything or you give to the visiting card in that your services are providing, but instead of that, if you can give me the link to that, especially for your website link, can you give to that customers, they easily understand what that exact is there, what the services you are providing. So this is the call as a website design and development. Here is a static site, dynamic site, e-commerce site, and content-based site. Different sites are there. So static site is nothing but around what the information you're providing. Just you want only for site purpose, will be the static site. Dynamic is a content-based site. So then here we'll provide the all content. Dashboard will provide if you want changes or if you want to upload any content, if you want anything you want to change or ban or something, will be the dashboard content. E-commerce, everybody knows how we are dealing that e-commerce websites. So then website design and development, here we go that what are the facts that convenience you considered us. For example, if you go that website, is it open wherever if you open, it is a responsive site. Means if you go to the laptop, it's open. If you go to the iPad, iPhone or big screen, small screens, anyway, wherever you open, that is the responsive and SEO friendly, user friendly website we provide you. So this is a website design and development. So is it audible? Is it understand everyone? Hello?
Swaniji, please
Yeah.
continue. It's audible.
Yeah. Thank you. So then that type of website will provide you. So then it's a user friendly and we'll go to the great length of understand business is what is exactly your business needs and everything will provide is a website design and development. According to our client requirement, which technology is used for, especially for your business. So here some of the technologies will provide here WordPress, PHP, Drupal, and some Java, .NET, everything is there. So according to your budget, according to your requirement, we will go to the which website is good and what technologies we want to use your for website. So these are the some of my websites what we developed. This is the actually more than 300 plus websites till now I developed last 6 years. So these are the just go through these clients, my website clients. Here CMR is there and Siri IT Solutions is there. CMR Jewelers, Jai Kisan is a TV channel. This is a Manepalli Jewelers. So some of these are clients of my websites. And next one is the mobile app development. Everybody knows is the Android and iOS applications. That is also depending on the client requirements. We will provide the mobile apps development also. And next one is the SEO service. After website complete, okay, if your website is done, everything is ready. After we testing and everything, the site is going to the public places. Then how will reach the public in your website? So in that way, we'll go to that SEO services. Is that search engine optimization? Search engine optimization is we will give you some keyword research and analysis. So depending on your website, who are the competitors, where is the target area, how to reach the public, according to that, we'll give some keywords. So we'll suggest some keywords. Otherwise also, can you give me your keyword? Then we'll add that in keywords. We'll work on that SEO work. So here different are there in SEO. It's called as a blog submissions, article submissions, and keyword submissions, link build, blogs and articles, link builds, and webmaster tools. Everything is there. So, but SEO result is not coming within 1 month or 2 months. Whenever if you start the SEO work, then it shows the result in after 6 months only. So then it's a depending on the keywords, depending on the competitors, the results are going. Google recognize you. Okay, these are the services. So then the start the work in Google. Then after 6 months, it show the result in your Google first place and first position. Whatever you gave me the keywords or I suggested the keywords are coming into the top priority in Google. So that automatically your page is coming in the first place. Whoever they click the product or whoever they click your services or whoever they click your some keyword, automatically our website, our company name is coming to the top priority. And everyone knows this is a very big topic in social media marketing. Now everyone share that whatever post we can post in social media, Facebook especially. So they have social medias are different platforms are there. Facebook, Insta, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest, like that, so many are there. So here social media marketing, according to your requirements, we will design the poster, we will post the content, we will use the hashtags, And what that hashtags also, how many people reach, everything will mention there. And if you do the campaigning about your social media, so then we'll do the target area, target audience, and age wise, and interested, everything. We do the campaigning for the social media post. After that also, then we'll give you the every 1 month report. In that report, specifically mention how many people click your page, how many likes are coming, how many people reach your post, okay, what are the target audience. So like that, every month we'll give you the social media reports. So like that, see here is the find out our target audience, aggressively promote your business, unique selling. So like that, we'll give the all the insights of social media, not only for Facebook, Insta, Twitter, LinkedIn, everything I'll provide you. And this is the, actually this is the platform to reach more and more people. And we can this, actually this is the one more thing I want to tell you here, especially for this is a lockdown time, so everyone can't expect the business in next 6 months also. So then we will provide you 100% leads to this time also. Definitely, I'll tell you one more time. I'm again repeating the same one. 100% leads I will provide you in social media, Facebook marketing. So who are the competitors? Definitely that one I will give you. For example, if you are looking for any particular hospital segment, that customer will contact you directly. So 101% I'll give you the calls, but converting is yours. So this is a social media marketing and corporate branding. Corporate branding is a help customers find your website marketing, email marketing, information marketing, social marketing, internet marketing. So like this. So we can brand yourself. If the company branding is going in high, means you are automatically going to the next level. So support your business to build brand equity and customer satisfaction, help to the strength your customer loyalty. So everything will go to the corporate branding. So if you want the branding your company, so then we'll do the corporate branding for you also. And next, e-commerce. E-commerce platform is a, for example, if you want to buy online, everybody knows how to buy the online. So then if you face any challenges in e-commerce, so how to revenue increase in e-commerce business, how to get the revenues for your e-commerce. So here we are coming with the online e-commerce, attract the customers and pay. For example, if you product you produce in e-commerce site, but how you believe the customer this is a good product or not. For example, if you search in any product in Amazon, if you search in any product in Flipkart, we definitely comparison of both two. This is the cost are high or this is the cost low. Comparison is compulsory is there. So the in that way, how to customers believe your product, how to customer attract your product. So like that, if you any problems you face, then definitely we'll help you that how to solve your problems also. Understanding your business vision, customize suggestions and ideas, how to improve your business like that. Each question will solve the problems here e-commerce platform. So what is the development cycle? How will you develop the cycle? First, we discover your work, then we designing your work, then we'll write the coding, and we develop that with site and everything, and testing. If it is coming to testing means if it is coming to Mozilla Firefox, if you take the Chrome or if it's Explorer, is it everything is coming or not? We'll check everything and customer validation. Last final, we go to the site is going to live. So according to this, everything first we'll discover your work and designing, coding and testing, and then go to the site. These are the some of my customers till now I'm handling. Genesis is a hospital fertility laparoscopic center. Lakshmi Narasimha, these are all hospitals. Mutya Kidney Center, Srinandaka, Ria Hospital, Homeo International Case, St. Peter's Engineering College, CMR Jewelers, Furniture World. Actually, Rachanosto also we did last few years back. So that's the reason only I mentioned here. Diabetic and CMR, Chandana Brothers, Guntur, Amirpet and Vizag. So these are some of my customers. Thank you so much giving me this opportunity. Rakesh Bhaiya, can you show me that videos, what we are developed and my creatives of that works?
Yeah, 1 second. This will stop order. You have to stop your screen.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
So these are my some creatives. Thanks for giving me opportunity for TCA first. So then here TCA creatives also I did.
1 second. Yeah. 1 second.
Yeah.
One second. Volume coming.
Thank you so much, Vani. It was quite
And
informative.
one more video also there. Just show me that video also, Rakesh ji.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure.
One second.
Small video we developed is a 1 minute present.
It was wonderful presentation.
बहुत बढ़िया.
Welcome.
And last, I'm thankful to all the TCIA and all our leaders and members who have been a constant support and for us. My special thanks to Rakhi ji, Neeru ji, and Rakesh ji, and Krishna Rao sir, Pritam Bhaiya, and support and look for the same days in next future coming also. Thank you so much for giving me this wonderful opportunity for my profile and presentation.